Hi everyone and welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hic. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stand on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and up, up and down. And so Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and up, up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no, Pete. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Okay, let's see if this works. Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. So Pete stands on his one foot. He hops up and down, sing a song and rub his belly. And nothing happened. Oh no. Pete still has the hiccups. And Pete is going to ask Mom how to stop the hiccups. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete hold his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits and he waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Hooray! Moms are so smart. The end. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time. Yay!